Hi, my name is Joseph Rito. I'm a computer science student. Yes, and I love these are my pets. I have five of them. There is Chilo, Kalisi, Beast, Snowy, and Archie. I started keeping my friends in 2009, and at first we kept them for security purposes, but later on I realized they are good friends, they are good companions, and you can play with them, and they make you happy. My dogs are my heroes because 2 years ago, during the night, there was a burglar who tried to break into our home, and then they barked really loudly and they scared him off. Yeah, so I know that dogs are really good companions and even good at security of the home. I really love my dogs because let's say I've had a hard day and I come home, they really cheer me up, and I think I appreciate that so much about them. They are also very friendly to people, yeah, and I'm not usually afraid to bring my friends over and to even show them my pets, and they make even my friends happy, and it kind of encourages them to even keep their own and own their own. I love taking care of my pets, and I do that by feeding them a balanced diet on a daily basis, and then I wash them on a weekly basis. And during the time that I wash them, I ensure that the shelter is clean by clearing all the litter and scattering pesticide within the shelter so that we can keep off fleas and ticks. And then we usually vaccinate them every 6 months so that in case they bite someone, that person will not acquire rabies. And I believe that a healthy pet makes the owner and the community happy.